Well, this is Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem your PlayStation Plus monthly games on your Android phone. So this is very easy. All you need is the PlayStation app. If you don't already have this, go to search under the PlayStation, the Android store. Go to PlayStation app, PS app. This is what it looks like right here, not the one on the top. So when we open this up, we can sign in with their account. And once you sign in with the email address and password, it becomes very easy. So you're going to want to go to the store right here, the middle option. You can see all these different options down here. So go to the store. So we can just swipe up here, go to the store, go to the PlayStation Plus symbol. Then we can see the option for our monthly games down here. PlayStation Plus monthly games. Choose this, and here are the ones for July 2026. Just tap it and then add it to your library. And just do this each month, and you can download it to your PlayStation 2 if you have that connected. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.